Hey everybody, good morning. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Max from the Max Clark Show and the Clark Center for Civics, Politics, and Global Affairs. And I just want to talk to you about something really quick this morning as it relates to marijuana. Now, here in Illinois, we all know that marijuana has been legalized to a certain extent. And the reason why I say legalized to a certain extent is because you can only possess so much marijuana, legal marijuana, before it is considered illegal. Okay, so if you're possessing more than 30 grams at a time, then you are breaking the law. So if you think about it, you can own as many guns as you like. You can buy as many cartons of cigarettes as you like. You can buy as much alcohol and possess as much alcohol as you like, but you can only possess a limited amount of marijuana. So how legal is it? Okay, anything that's legal, you can have as much as you want, especially here in the United States. If it's legal, you can have as much as you want. But I just wanted to throw that on your mind this Saturday morning as everyone is lined up for blocks and blocks and blocks to get the legal marijuana. Okay, just think about that. The main reason for this video is because I wanted to talk to you about the DUI. Okay, if you're caught driving and you are under the influence of marijuana, then you will get a DUI. If you're high, you'll get a DUI. Okay, so that's something that we need to understand. I know everybody's just happy to get high legally. Everybody's happy to get high. Everybody's lined up. But the police, of course, didn't, and your representatives didn't, and the mayor didn't, and the governor didn't, and your senators and state reps obviously didn't come out and say, hey guys, I know everybody's decided that marijuana is going to be technically legal and, you know, everybody wants to get high. Do you? But here are the things that you really cannot do. Okay? Now, we've seen a few articles that spoke about that. And I have a video with the Clark Center for Civics, Politics, and Global Affairs talking about the 8 things that you need to know before you purchase your legal marijuana in 2020. So, as it relates to the DUI, if you're caught driving high, you get a DUI. Now, here's my thing. I know what a drunk driver looks like. I've seen drunk drivers. I know how they drive. How would the police know that a person is under the influence of marijuana while driving, unless they got smoke coming out of their vehicles, unless they're smoking in the car, right? So that just brings up a whole nother thing. Even if they see you smoking in your car, they don't know whether that's marijuana or what it is. Now, you're in the privacy of your own vehicle, so they're going to need a reason to stop you. Okay? But my question is, and it's a question to you all. How does a person under the influence of marijuana drive? How would you be able to pick that out? We know what a drunk driver looks like, but how does a person who's high off marijuana, how do they drive? Okay. I've seen people, I pulled up next to people, smoke flying out of the window, and they were driving normal. So this is I'm asking for myself and the viewers. How does a person high off marijuana drive? Okay. And that brings up this as well. if there's really no difference in the driving patterns of a person who's high off of marijuana and a person who's not, how would the police know unless they're going to do what you call routine checks and just start pulling people over? It's kind of a stop and frisk type deal, but it's a routine check, and they'll just start pulling people over. So I just want you to be aware of that. I just want you to be aware of that, because that's where they're going to make their money at is off of DUIs. Okay? If they don't catch you with over 30 grams, they're going to try to catch you with the DUI. So just pay attention to those things as you indulge in your marijuana experience. Okay? So just let me know. I mean, that was a serious question. I just want to know. So just, if you're out driving, make sure you ain't riding dirty. Like Chameleon there said, make sure you're not riding dirty. Make sure you have your license is up to date and legal. Make sure your insurance is up to date and legal. Because if they're going to be doing these routine checks, they're checking everything. Because if they can't get you off a DUI, they want to make sure your license is tight. They want to make sure your insurance is tight. They want to find a way to get you, because now they're losing money. They're losing money. All right. It's always all about money. You don't listen to anything I say. Listen to this. It's always all about money. So, with that being said, love somebody. More importantly, love yourself. Get educated on the issues. Get educated on the issues. All right. Peace.